Hey, what's up guys? This is Sami again here, and let me close this. I got blind here. Okay, this is Sami again here, Armin again here. Which one you like, we can call it. Today is again 2nd of July 2023, and as you see here, we had application here, and look at this now. I want to show you some interesting things. This is how application at the time looks like. Okay, this part information, I have add this information tab new, but now let's see what we want to get as information, and just see how easily we do. Okay, here we have a form. As you know, for example, if you click here on button and click and you put it here, you have a button that if you double click, you want to go to code whatever you want. Okay, but what I wanna do is this. Okay, I remove this. You want text, you want everything, data set, event, have the completely really nice tools here. You can use it, and here is one of those tab tool. You see, you say for example add tab. Okay, let's say tab 4, and like this, just what normal looks like. I have here a label which is say install program count, and here I have a text and a button. Okay, now I want to do this. I want to say, for example, if I'm coming to information and I click, I want to see how many applications are installed, and here I want to get information about my diskette, free spaces and those things. Okay, I don't have any idea. Imagine I don't have any idea how a system like this works. For example, if you want to know a free space of something, you have to go there and call there something there. Okay, let's go to the chat GPT. Okay, let me say you there, just for educational purposes, how you do jobs easier. Okay, make a method, or make a method for me, or let's say make a function in C# which retrieve free spaces on each partition. Okay, let's see what is a idea of a AI machine. Okay, and then if he has a good idea, we are going to correct it. Okay, because this is what you have to learn, and yeah, in 10 years to come, this is something what you, okay, we get a schablon, or let me say we got a code which is say okay, it runs as a class, as a program, a static main class which calls this function. Let's go to the function. This is function drive info, which is a class of input output, and here simple for loop, and you got it. Okay, but this is, what is this? This is a function which is works. It seems to my eyes this is okay, but as you see, we want to make a form application, and this is just a completely command line application. Okay, for this we don't need to, I need only just this function. Okay, this function, and here instead of console write line, we have here append text. Oh, let me see here, I'm coming here, let me come here. I have here a function which is, you see, exact here. Okay, let me put it here. Exact, that's exact the same. The only one we have here, rich text box. Rich text box is this is rich text box. There he says you print it on console for me, and now here you ask printed here in this text your report. Okay, because if you click here, you see it say rich text box C, or rich text box 3, and then and you see it also here, and you can use it everywhere in your code. And now let's see here, for example, I have here my function which ChatGPT wrote for us, let me say that, but we made some correction there. And now let's go to, for example, to our code. I'm coming here to my form one, and I'm saying here here at the end, you can also make a interface pattern or whatever what you want. Okay, and this gives me, we have a list of driver info, array of drive info, which is a class, and you have it here. Where is it? Here is a part of system input output. And here, wait a moment, here you say reach text box to 1, append text, and here we have a for loop, simple for loop in that list, and here voila. Okay, and now this is a method, huh? This is just a method, and we have to call it. If you back to form, here we have a button which is retrieve info. Okay, if I click, I'm coming here. Okay, we have here two things. First thing is going to calculate how many program installed. When we click there, you see it's going to print on label 6, which is here, and you won't see it. This is here. Okay, and after that, at the end, I want to say when you print, first go for that function, call, count, and then I want you to call this function, which is partition reporter, and when you call it, it initialize reach text box three times. I mean, okay, I'm going to here is where label 6 is done, and I say here now call partition free spacer, and now just let's run program. Okay, let me run program and see what we get back as what we expected or what. Okay, let's go to information, and I want to say retrieve info, and look at this. We have 155 installed application on this machine, and here is some free spaces and drives which are locked, which is locked. For example, you use BitLocker, or here they don't get, you have to deal with other way, and I don't like to shade it because of misuse of something. And here, if drive is locked, no access. That's it, and voila, this is it. Just have a nice day. See you in the next part. Ciao.